For 21 days straight, my AI trading bot woke up at 6 in the morning, scanned hundreds of stocks, made decisions, sent me a notification saying it was done, and placed 0 trades. Not one. I had almost $1,000 sitting in Robinhood doing absolutely nothing while my bot ran flawlessly every single morning and accomplished nothing at all. This is the bug, and this is the one line that fixed it. Quick recap for anyone new. My trading bot is not a traditional program. It's a pipeline. Every morning, Windows Task Scheduler fires a PowerShell script. That script writes a detailed trading prompt to a text file. Stock picks, entry rules, position sizes, all of it. Then it calls the Claude AI command line tool as a sub-process and feeds it that prompt. Claude reads the instructions, connects to Robinhood through an MCP integration, and places the trade. That's how it's supposed to work. The key word there is supposed. For 3 weeks, I get a notification every morning. Phase 2 complete. Phase 3 complete. Phase 4 complete. No errors, no crashes. Everything looks normal. But there are no trades in Robinhood. 0. I check the order history. Nothing. I check the logs. No errors. The bot is running, completing every phase, sending me confirmations and placing absolutely nothing. I have no idea what's wrong. I went through every script looking for the problem. Nothing stood out. Then I opened the NTFY bridge script, the one part of the system I had written months earlier, separately, and which was actually working fine. And right there in the code, someone, me apparently, had left a comment. It said, "Warning. If no data comes from STDIN within 3 seconds, Claude exits silently." That was it. That was the entire bug in one sentence, written by me, left in a comment, ignored by me for 3 weeks. Here is what every single broken script was doing. When it called Claude, it passed the prompt as a positional argument, directly in the command, inside parentheses. What this actually does is tell Claude that the text you're passing is a file name. Claude looks for that file, doesn't find it, receives nothing from STDIN, and exits after 3 seconds. No error, no warning, just silence. And I had done this in 20 different places across 12 scripts. Every script, same pattern, same mistake. 3 weeks of silent failure. The fix is 4 lines of PowerShell. Write the prompt to a temp file, then pipe the contents of that file directly into Claude through standard input. Claude receives the full prompt, reads the trading instructions, connects to Robinhood, and places the order. I went through all 12 scripts and fixed all 20 call sites in a single session. It took about 2 hours. The next morning, the bot placed its first real autonomous trade. June 23rd, 6:21 in the morning. My phone buzzes. Not the usual phase complete notification. A trade notification. A real one. ORB entry, BLZE long at 11.89. Stop at $11.65. Target $12.37. 3 weeks of silence. Fixed by changing how text gets piped into a command line program. The lesson here is not just about PowerShell syntax. It's that a system can appear to be working perfectly, logging, notifying, completing, while doing absolutely nothing useful. Silent failures are the hardest bugs to find because you don't know you have one. Next week, I'm going to show you the pre-market gap strategy, a third trading approach I added that scans for stocks gapping up before the regular session opens, and how I backtested it against 60 days of historical data to find the exact stocks worth trading. If you want to see the real process of building something like this, the bugs, the fixes, the actual trades, subscribe. New video every week. Real trades, real code, real results. Real